Hey there, pretty boy. You eating your little cheesy crackers? Taste good? Yeah, look like they taste good, don't they? They taste good, don't they? How's your wife doing? How's your wife doing? Huh? How's your wife doing, pretty bird? Huh? You gonna talk? Don't be mean. I'm not doing anything to you. Hey, Casper, you whistling to me? You gonna whistle to me? He's a good little bird. Hey there, Shy. How you doing? Aussie, what you been doing now? Like that, you don't like eating the cheesy crackers. You want all the attention, don't you? All the attention. You whistling back to him? Huh? You whistling back? Yeah. You're some good birds. Good birdies.